It's about to go down.
Hi, please, what's your name?
Jose.
Jose, do you have a nickname?
Dat is mijn nickname.
Okay. Can you read this for me?
Okay.
Wait, what did I hear?
Abrochnin.
Jesus!
What did you say?
Abrochnin.
Continue. No problem.
12 seconds later.
Je. Bekana.
Who taught you that?
It's you.
Anka. Akoko. Emo. Tema.
That's the way you talk. Repeat them again.
Tema.
Good, well done.
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Hello, lovely viewers. It's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH, and on today's episode is
Broni Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect?
Do you want to know?
Yes! You agree? Yes!
Do you really want to know?
Yes!
Let's hit the streets.
And on today's Akan Proverb is Abrabo ny3 bonaa Akan, which means if life was easy, then the hen would also wear beads around its waist.
Hi, please, what's your name?
My name is Pim Colster.
Pim Colster.
Yeah.
Do you have a nickname?
Not really. I mean, online they call me Broca. That's because it's been my Steam name for about 2 years now, and people usually call me by that.
Okay, Broca. Well, I'm from Ghana, and I would like you to read my dialect.
Look at this.
Right.
12 seconds later.
Abra. Yeah.
Try.
Nice.
Chai.
Abra. Butnia. Bukna Anka Akok Emo Chma.
A word of storyteller. Are you sure?
Hi, please, what's your name?
My name is Romy.
Romy, do you have a nickname?
No.
Oh, okay. And can you try reading my dialect?
Afras Bekna Anka Akok bonaa.
Hi, please, what's your name?
My name is Ilof.
Ilof.
Yeah.
Do you have a nickname?
No. La Lulu.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it.
Can you read my dialect?
It's about to go down.
Arab.
What did you say?
Arab.
Don't provoke me to anger, or else you'll be in danger.
Continue. No problem.
Arab. Nee, dit kan ik echt niet. Anka. Akko. Emo. Tesma.
Did you listen to yourself as you speak?
No, stop.
Are you finding?
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.